Hi, we are here at ADM Catering.
Philippine Medical Association, PMA National Assembly mission naman tayo this afternoon. 3 p.m. may scheduled food tasting kami with ADM Catering by Felix Nino Ascension, COO, child of the owner ng ADM Catering. Dito sa kanilang lugar sa may Maligaya, San Fernando. And look at the way they arrange the food tasting venue. Hindi pa man feeling ko napakasarap talaga ng mga isa-serve nila. Imagine na lang that we will be tasting the 3-day meal from AM snacks, lunch, and PM snacks, as well as the dinner for the fellowship and other events. Pumpkin soup was so creamy. The fruits were so sweet. Masarap. Approve na nga. Ganun pa lang ang entry namin. And so, we proceeded with the other entry. Sabi ko nga, bawasan nila yung serving kasi baka hindi namin matapos lahat ng courses. Soup pa lang masarap na kaya wala nang natira. Kani salad was also good. This was the baked salmon na super yummy, favorite ko. Beef medallion steak. Chicken parmigiana, fish piccata with double sauce, spaghetti tuyo gourmet aglio olio, fish balls with crab sticks, chicken Hawaiian, masarap. Lahat naman masarap. Stuffed chicken wings, lahat naman tender ha. Being Kapampangans, maselan ang mga palat namin at kailangan naming i-impress ang mga ibang doctors na dadalo sa National Assembly sa May. So, ayan, pati yung mga kasama namin, agree sila sa sarap ng mga niluto ni ADM Catering.
This goes with mashed potato.
Apo.
Sinama ko nga pala si Mags na nurse sa Ontario, Canada, with husband Loy na very best friends ko. May lakad kasi sa dapat kami kaso may food tasting. So sinabi ko sama ko na lang sila. Agree naman si Dr. Agnes Fernando, ang governor namin sa PMA. At enjoy na enjoy kaming kinater ng family ng mga Asuncion.
Masakay kayo sa Philippine Airlines. Nabaysiyo.
We had also cassava para sa mga PM snack as well as mga ensaymada and the leche flan. Masasarap sila. Mga snacks, we chose mga beef at saka chicken. Ito, we both tasted them and they're good.
Tama.
Loy, na nga sabi mo, ketang kain. Diet, kailangan niya.
Kailangan niya. Kailangan niya. Kasi magkakain sugar, ketandaya. Kaya ako ba basa ito? Yung chips on the side.
Apo.
O akala nyo eat and run ba? Hindi. Dito yung madugo. Ano ba ang isa-serve namin for each day? So ayan, trabahong masinsinan na yan. From AM snack to lunch to PM snack. Ano ba ang mga magko-complement? At ito pala yung kusina nila, napakalaki. And after eating and planning the meal, nag-ikot-ikot kami sa lugar ni na Felix at si Daddy. At ayun, finally, mission accomplished and approve.